Hello, welcome to Twist Fashion. Today I'm going to be making a hat and mittens out of this old jumper, which I think I shrunk and it's really unflattering anyway. It makes me look about 3 sizes bigger than I am. So I'm going to make a little hat and mittens. So I'm going to outline this to make sure it's all nicely lined up, like with the back. So it's a bit tough to cut through. If you haven't got an old jumper, you could always go and look in a charity shop. And these are also quite good things to gift for Christmas or to sell. You could also make a snood out of it, but I prefer a little hat, to be honest. That I'm going to keep for myself. So then I'm going to just seam along the edge, sew along the edge. Do that with hand or machine. And then little mittens as high as possible. So that could be the cuff. And then it's a bit tough to cut through the seam there, like so. So I've seamed all along the edge and turned them the right way round. I hope you found this video useful, and please like and subscribe for more DIYs. Thanks for watching.